Hey everybody, it's me again. I wanted to share with you how I used my two kits for friends and for friends too. They're both going to be linked down below. I wanted to play with these in my planners as soon as possible and just use everything mostly for fun. I don't go into my planners that often. The one I do go into the most is probably this one, which holds all my data or information on like sizes for planners and stuff like that. This one I go in maybe every 2-3 days, you know, and then I'll put in notes and things that I need to remember. This is my daily planner, even though I don't go into it daily. It's got my month, my week, and all that kind of stuff. This one has information. So look at how thick that is. I love making planners. I love designing things for planners, and I love having these. It's something that keeps me sort of in the crafting mode every time. Since I don't craft like I used to with other things, other product, now it's mostly this, so it keeps my brain and hands busy after work or on my days off, late, you know, sometimes late at night or super early in the morning. So that's the main reason why I have these. A lot of people actually have planners for serious planning, you know, but I kind of have these for fun, and I do like to change them out a lot. I make my own, which is awesome because I do like to change things out, and then I design stuff to go in it. So I wanted to show you how I'm using these images. I had printed and cut everything, and I did go through all that stuff in the last couple of videos, so check that out if you're interested. Down below I'll put the links directly to these two kits, but there's a lot of information down in the description box that you might want to check out. Lots of information and tutorial playlists and stuff like that for both types of planners that I make, the ring bounds and the traveler's notebooks. So let me just kind of show you. Look at how adorable all those images look, sticking out there, just peeking. And I wasn't going to do both planners, but I decided to go ahead just so you can see in two different sizes. So this is my pocket ring bound, and this is my personal ring bound. This got so thick I couldn't take it with me anymore because it's but yeah. So let's open it up. Let's start with this one. And I still have other stuff from other kits that I have in my shop. They're all printable, and some of the stickers too from other kits that I have, and this is one from the recent and I did use it, so you will see the layout with that. Here is the washi card. I laminated it, and it's on the first one. You get these, and you could turn these into page markers too, make them bigger if you want, or leave them that size, punch some holes, throw it in there, throw it in, throw it in, throw it in. Repeating myself, use it as a page marker. The washi is actually from Dollar Tree. So this one I did turn into just, I don't know, just a fun insert. And let's see, I did stick on the back of my other image. Like I said, a lot of these things are from other kits of mine that are already in the shop, but on the back I put one of the stickers that I created with my kits. Here I have a pocket, a clear pocket with a laminated image from the kits, and here's one of the images or die cuts that I made. Over here I have this one here, and then I made dividers. I made 4 using the papers that are in the second kit. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 backgrounds that you could use. So I cut them down, I folded them over, and I also turn it into a pocket. I just sliced the top. At the same time, it's a divider, so you can hide money or whatever in there. And I did turn my images into paper clips with some E6000 and a cardstock circle, although preferably you should use felt, I think. Here's another divider that I created with one of the images and the paper, and again slice the top. Here's my layout using, well, first off, here's one of the clips. So here's the sticker here, 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 and here from my kit. I added recollection stickers here and here. These are from this one here, and these two are from a Etsy shop. And then these are mine from a different kit. Let's see what else. Okay, and then here we got this one. This I just laminated yesterday with the my Scotch laminator, but what I don't like is when you hear that, it's like it's separating. I finally found out that when you laminate on your mink, you have to actually use not only your laminating pouch, but throw that into the pouch for the mink as well, and then you do a better job, and it does work. I have to try that with the glitter, but I did laminate some other things and I like how they came out. So did I show this already? I think I did. And then I put one of the die cuts in here, so it's just for fun. I put one of my stickers here, and here's one of the images I laminated as well. These are just some of the extra stickers that I had. So yeah, I like to decorate these things. I might not go into these planners every single day, but it's just fun to look at. Decorate and look at. So here's my other one, and I did make these planners myself, so you know, you're not going to find these in a store. So here are some more stickers, and these were the sheets. I did show you these, but these I haven't used yet. Let's get that back on there. And so I did make 2 dividers in here with these stickers, the larger stickers, and open the top as well. And I haven't put nothing in these pockets yet, but they're there in case I want to tuck anything. Then here I put these 2 images. I did not laminate those. This is from another kit of mine. There's another one. I laminated the open planner, and I do like how it just peeks out here. And what else? Here is another paper clip that I made. Just trying to find. This is a pouch that has one of the images in there. All these inserts, they are from my shop. I do have some bundles with different sizes. Let's see. Here I stuck another sticker on this vellum that I had. I don't know where it's from. And here's another page marker, or divider I mean, with another sticker on the top. So I just folded the paper over and laminated it and then cut the top after I put the sticker down. So then, I don't want to see that. Here I just tucked in a bow. Back here I put another one of those pen pouches, and that's pretty much it. So I still had a lot left over from both kits that are in here, with one of these left over. So I just wanted to play with everything and show you how I'm using them. It's not functional, it's just for looks. Like I said, I just like to look at things and have cute stuff, you know, around. But look at that. So I'm in love with this. Anyway, links will be down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.